Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's video is about how to respond to the questions how are you and how do you do? An exclusive video for the beginners of English. Let's move on to the topic. How are you? This is a question. Almost every day we come across this question. It is a formal way of asking about someone's health or mood or condition. The response for this can be, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Or the other way is, I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm not fine and I'm not good are also the possible replies, but we don't use them normally. Remember, it is the style of greeting followed by Americans. That is, it is an American accent. How do you do? It looks like a question, but it acts like a greeting. Assume that someone is saying hi to you. Your response will be, Hi, am I right? The same thing should be followed for how do you do also. If someone says this to you, then you can also repeat it. There are two more possibilities of greeting someone when you are first introduced to them. Saying hello or saying nice to meet you. Remember, in these greetings, you must say the same thing what the other person told you. Also remember, this is the style of greeting followed by British and it is a British accent. Additional information corner. How are you doing? If someone asks how are you doing, grammatically you should answer I'm doing well. Since doing is an action verb, we need to use the adverb well to describe the action. But most native speakers use good instead of well. Though it is grammatically wrong, it is in common practice. Remember all these tips and practice them in your day-to-day life, friends. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and share chat using the links given below. Thank you.